Hey, we're gonna do an unboxing on a dual overhead cam head gasket set that is in our overhaul kit. We also sell head gasket sets separately. We sell all the components in these kits separately, but I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing of our A435-2145 head gasket set. Like I said, it fits all your dual overhead cam ISX engines. There you go, like all our sets. Very well packaged, intact, secure. We go really above and beyond to ensure our packaging is state of the art. We can't have you guys get our parts and they be damaged, you know. Are we perfect? No, but we try to be. I'm gonna set this aside for a second here. Oh, also, bill of materials on our headset. All gasket sets must have bills of materials on them. We know how important that is, especially for the installer, to make sure he knows what's in that kit, knows each part number is and where the parts go. Here I am again, opening up another set. Our packaging guys absolutely hate when I do this, but it is what it is. Got to show the people what we got. So here we go. Here's a gasket. It's a rubber edge molded gasket. I'm gonna leave it in the bag, but you can see what it is. It's a connection gasket. All right. Over here is your ECM control gasket. All rubber edge molded. We make all of this. The rubber edge molding technology, it's more critical than people think because you really need that bond between the steel and the rubber to be robust and last long. Not to mention the right rubber to seal the fluid or the gases that it comes in contact with. You got all your intake and exhaust manifold gaskets here in this bag. So let's see what we got here. Exhaust manifold gaskets, they're made by fully hardened stainless steel, graphite coated, heat resistance, scuffing resistance. They last long, durable, reliable. Intake manifold gasket, same thing, fully hardened stainless. I mean, a lot of suppliers out there use stainless steel, but it really doesn't mean that it's the right stainless steel for the application. So we're an application engineering company, and intake and exhaust manifold gaskets gotta be fully hardened stainless steel. So the grades of our materials are always top notch. We don't skip any corners. We're not trying to cut costs so we can be more profitable. We're trying to make your engines last longer and you be more profitable so we can be profitable as well. It's, you know, we're all in this thing together. Here's your turbo mounting gasket, same thing, fully hardened stainless steel. We like to think the best in the industry. We try to be, we set really high standards. With all due respect to all the other manufacturers out there, which we do have a lot of respect for, we just do our best to improve the longevity of these engines, right? Then you got your EGR gasket, you got your strip seal gaskets, your rubberized grommet in there, all your injector O-rings in one bag for all 6 injectors. All of our headsets at AFA come with injector O-ring kits. At the OE level, lots of times you got to purchase those separately, not at AFA. Then over here is another sub kit with all the part numbers. That every sub kit has a bill of material on it as well. So we try to be as professional and concise as possible. You can see your rubberized steel washers in there, more like cam housing gaskets and whatnot for your front and rear side of the camshaft. This funny looking gasket, ETR control module gasket. This thing is made out of plastic and it's got rubber. You gotta have it, whatever. I always thought it was a weird gasket. And then you got your turbo hose. And then the head gasket. Head gasket has a multi-layer, 5-layer actually, graphite material. It also has MLS properties in the corners here. Come on closer, I'll show you. Over here you got an MLS, multi-layer steel. In this corner as well, MLS. And then you got your fire rings, stainless steel fire rings. Every fire ring is reinforced with another steel inside to give it more integrity, make it stronger, more heat resistant, and then not to mention, when you manufacture head gaskets, the height of the fire rings is critical. And that goes in the design process. You want the proper crush, the proper seal, the proper heat resistance in the combustion chamber. AFA head gaskets are right up there with the best of them in the industry. We're really proud of them. So yeah, that's our unboxing of our ISX dual overhead cam head gasket set. Thank you.